I'm Tia Borden with MiningIR. Beside me is Mark Scott, President and CEO of Sassy Gold. Mark, thank you so much for joining me this morning.
My pleasure.
We're on day 3 of the conference, and it's buzzing now. It's been a busy couple of days. What were you hoping most to gain from being here?
This is our first time at this conference, so it was a good introduction to the London financial crowd. And it's been a successful few days, busy few days full of meetings. So it's a good first trip to Mines Money London.
And you're missing out on the gala.
I am, unfortunately, yep.
But we'll see you back in Vancouver.
Excellent.
Now, the company is relatively new. You launched in 2019?
The company was founded as a private company in 2019, went public, listed on the CSE in August of 2020. So it's only a little better than 2 years that we've been public.
And can you give us a bit of background on the company?
Of course, it's 2 direct exploration properties that we have. One quite large gold-silver project in the Eskay Camp in northwestern British Columbia, Canada, called the Foremore Gold-Silver Project. Our second project that gives us year-round work and drilling and news flow is a uranium property in northern Saskatchewan called the Highrock. And then we have equity stakes in 3 junior exploration companies that gives us a solid financial foundation moving forward. The 3 companies are Gander Gold, which was originally a subsidiary of Sassy that we spun out this past year, in addition to Galloper Gold and MAX Power Mining Corp.
And what success have you already experienced with these projects?
So at the Foremore, we've made a discovery at what we call the Westmore Discovery Zone, high-grade gold in quartz veins that were previously covered by snow and glacier cover on the property. And this past year in 2022, we drilled 3,700 meters across 18 holes into the Westmore Discovery Zone, and we look forward to getting those assays back and to keep building on the success that we've had there over the last 2 seasons.
Now you're going to have a busy year ahead. What are you looking to gain for the next, say, 2 years?
Sassy in 2023 will be drilling the Highrock Uranium Project in February of 23. Some of our quote-unquote subsidiaries in Newfoundland will do their first ever drilling in 2023, so that's pretty exciting for both Gander and Galloper. MAX Power Mining, the third equity holding we have, will be announcing a series of acquisitions and really their corporate direction moving forward in the lithium space, which is pretty exciting. And then in the summer of 23, when Sassy gets back on the ground at the Foremore Project, be more follow-up work on the Westmore Discovery Zone and some drilling on some new VTEM targets that we've identified along a 6-kilometer VMS horizon on that same property. So lots of work, lots of excitement in a lot of different areas of the country for Sassy.
Very exciting. Mark, what are the top 3 reasons investors should invest in Sassy Gold?
Well, we have great high potential direct exploration projects and a really solid financial base moving forward with those equity investments in those other 3 companies. A fantastic team that we've put together with many decades of experience in the space, and a tight share structure that has a lot of upside. We're trading sort of lower in our range at the moment, and have a market cap that's actually lower than the value of those equity holdings alone. So the downside risk for investing in Sassy right now is quite limited, and the upside is sky high. So that's a good place to be. It's a good time to get in.
Wonderful, Mark. Thank you so much for joining me this morning.
My pleasure. Thank you.